Hey team, welcome back to my channel. It is actually date night tonight. It was supposed to be last night, but Adam piked on me. Anywho, coming up, we are getting back to our roots. Move on in the current release, which you'll see a little bit later in this. But I've also got a portion of my wish haul. Again, I'll explain that a little bit later. Keep watching. Check this out, gang. I did that on my fireplace. It was a massive blister. Look at the size of it compared to my fingernail. It was a huge blister that popped and now it's like an open wound. Sexy, huh? Now I decided I was going to do like a wish haul type thing. I know that's quite big on YouTube right now. I'm wondering if this is one of the packages. I ordered like 2 pairs of, what was it, 3? I think it was 2 pairs of runners and like 3 or 4 articles of clothing and a suit. I didn't spend a bunch of money, so I don't expect it to be amazing, but let's see if this is from Wish. I think it's the suit. Oh my gosh. They ain't gonna fit me. I'm going to have to try it on when I get back from work. It's been a while since we've had to go over our choreography again. Unfortunately, we have run our course with the new launches, so that means I've got to go back to old material. What does that mean? Got to revise it again. How the hell does honey molt so much? Like, I feel like I'm wearing a cashmere rug. Or cashmere either. Just learn to talk, Hayden.
got there, Hayden?
Well, you've already seen the vest part when I first opened it when it arrived. I really don't think that's going to fit my torso. It feels like a very luxurious material, said no one ever. We are going to open the rest and I will try it on. The entire suit fits in this little pouch. I can already tell the material's shiny.
You look like someone from Saturday Night Fever.
I think this is the jacket. FYI, so much plastic. Look how
Jesus.
look how fancy that looks.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Can you see how shiny it is?
It looks like material that they'd make it like a knapsack out of.
It reminds me of like doll's clothes material, like super shiny and plastic. And this is supposed to be a large.
That's for a Ken doll.
Literally can't lift my arms any further than that.
I've just scored myself a new suit.
This will fit you, Adam.
Well, how is that a large? And you've got a giant binget of string hanging from your armpit, so you'll probably pull on that and the whole sleeve will like fall off.
Let's see if the vest actually fits me. I mean, I'm not surprised.
If you spend $30 on a suit, you expect it to be somewhat quality. Jesus.
They are see-through.
That's not material you make clothes out of. It's for a potato sack.
You can see right through them.
Put your hand in the back. Oh no, you can't see. You can't see it in the light, but it is.
They are not going to fit me. There's no way in hell they're going to fit me. I'll try on the vest. Oh, next time you have a theme night at the bar where you need to look like a cheap pimp. How does the vest fit but not the jacket?
It's a bit of a loose term in terms of fitting. It doesn't really fit. Yeah, no, that I wouldn't say that fits.
And he's like, what the hell are you doing?
Nice suit. Yeah, no, it still doesn't fit.
Kind of. Ow. She's like, take it off.
Exactly.
It's very snug. Very snug. At least I can actually move my arms in it. And FYI, I don't plan on actually wearing this in public. This was a more of a, let's see how well Wish can do if they live up to their hype.
And breathe.
Look at the back, look how it's sewed. Wow.
Do you reckon if you iron that, it would just melt?
Probably. There's absolutely no garment tags whatsoever.
That's what I mean. I don't know.
On
It doesn't
anything.
even say what material it's made out of.
You think it would have something to tell you how it should be washed?
I think you're probably not supposed to wash it. You just wear it once and then throw it away.
I feel like it's a sort of
It's
material
disposable.
that liquid doesn't actually absorb into it, just like beads off of it.
True.
But there you have it, team. First item, total bust. Also, look what arrived today. That's Adam in the background. He actually tried on the suit that I just had on. I'll do him the dignity and not put him on here. But finally, the halo arrived. This one's mine that I always take, and this one's the one I got Adam taken, which he loves now. You're welcome.